If you ever need help with your Gmail account, or you just want to find the right support option fast, this video will show you exactly how to access Gmail support in just a few simple steps. Whether you're dealing with a login issue, a settings problem, missing emails, or any other Gmail-related question, this is the quickest way to get to the help resources you need. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once the Gmail page loads, sign in with the Google account that you want help with. After you're signed in, look at the top right side of the screen. You'll see a question mark icon inside a circle, right next to the settings gear icon. This is the help menu for Gmail. Click on that question mark icon and then click Help from the menu that appears. Once you do that, Gmail will open a help panel with popular help resources. These are common support articles and guides for the most frequently asked questions. If the issue you're looking for is already listed there, you can click it directly and follow the instructions. But if your topic is not shown in the popular help resources, don't worry. Just use the search bar in the help panel to type in what you need help with. You can search for things like password problems, inbox settings, sending issues, recovery steps, or anything else related to Gmail. This makes it much easier to find the exact support article instead of searching through everything manually. So to quickly recap, go to Gmail, sign in, click the question mark icon near the top right, choose Help, and then either open one of the popular help resources or search for your issue using the help bar. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time when you need answers fast. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.